Mini video tutorial on how to invite your friends to like a Facebook page. So as a question that's just come up, here we are on Facebook. I'm just going to click out of that. Let's find, first of all, the page that you want to invite your friends to. So this is a client's page. So I'm going to click straight through onto their page. And we see here I've already liked the page, so I can unlike it, but I don't want to do that. And if I scroll down, we'll see here, invite your friends to like the page. When you click on that, you can then, when it opens up, you'll be able to search for a particular friend to invite, or you can go through your list and add people. Oh, look, there. I'm going to suggest that Liam McGinley likes his own page. McGinley's Carpeting and Construction Limited. That would be a good thing. Okay, so I'm going to, there we go. Couple of people that I know Liam likes, and they like him, and local people. Okay, so then we scroll down and then we send invitations. That's how easy it is to invite your Facebook friends to like a Facebook business page. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'm always happy to create a mini video tutorial to help you and show you exactly how to do things with your online marketing.